Hi and welcome to the Feel Good Hypnosis YouTube channel. Whether you're coming here to learn what hypnosis is all about, or maybe learn hypnosis itself, or maybe you just want to find out about me, maybe you're coming to see me to help change your life through hypnotherapy or hypnotic change work as I like to call it, then welcome and find out here on this channel. My name is Turan Mirza and I'm a hypnotist and clinical hypnotherapist. I'm based here in Northern Ireland, and you'll see me many times when the weather's good in this beautiful garden here at my home, talking about hypnosis videos and explaining exactly what they mean in tutorials. I started learning about hypnosis and using hypnosis in late 2010. At the time of making this video in 2021, that's over 10 years now, and I've gained lots of experience. By 2013, I was helping people change their lives, helping people stop smoking, helping people reduce their anxiety and sleep better. By 2016, I turned my passion for hypnosis into a full-time career as a full-time clinical hypnotherapist. But I still practice and develop my skills by getting out on the streets of Belfast and, well, all over the world, as you see here in Las Vegas, helping to develop my skills using street hypnosis. I've developed a unique style of hypnosis from learning from the top trainers throughout the world, combining that with my breadth and depth of experience on stage, in street, and working with businesses and talking to the general public. I now give back what I've learned through my breadth and depth of experience to other hypnotists and hypnotherapists through one-to-one coaching and mentoring, as well as providing new training programs for those who want to learn from scratch. Not only that, but I speak at conventions like Hypnothoughts Live, as you see here in Las Vegas, and conventions throughout Europe, and I've spoken many times at the UK Hypnosis Convention in London. Not only that, but I give presentations to the general public and to local businesses on the power of the mind and how important hypnosis is in people's lives. Every Sunday I post a new video here on my YouTube channel, and also sometimes additional videos during the week, so always keep watching. Videos such as traditional street hypnosis clips, as well as tutorials breaking down street hypnosis, giving background detail on what you might be missing as you watch the video. Information videos to educate you with advice and tips. Moving from entertainment, there are interviews and testimonials from people who have gained life-changing experiences through hypnosis with myself. And live demos with myself, changing people's mindsets and improving their lives live on stage. So there's lots to look at on this channel. While I'm the main driver, you'll also see my son Jonathan and my son Daryl, who I've helped train and who have helped me out in various live events. Whether you want to learn about hypnosis, learn about me, or just be entertained by hypnosis, whatever your reason for watching this channel, make sure you give each video you watch a big thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget to click the big red subscribe button so you get notified every time a new video comes out. Click the grey notification bell next to that subscribe button. It helps my channel grow and helps others learn and find out about hypnosis. And I really want to connect with you guys, so leave a comment in the comment section below of every video that you watch and you like. If you've got questions about the video, leave them in the comment section below. Don't leave the video without asking questions about it. It really helps me contact you and interact with you and give you more information about what you're watching. And that also applies if you have any suggestions about new videos you'd like to see involving hypnosis or discussing hypnosis. Leave those in the comment section below also. I'm really glad that you watched this video. Thanks very much for connecting. Please enjoy this channel and give me your feedback, give me your input. If you want to learn more about hypnosis and you want to join one of my training courses or maybe get one-to-one mentoring, then I'll leave my contact details, both my email and other social media contacts, in the description box below. So I'm really looking forward to talking with you, and I hope you enjoy this channel.